Hello everyone, my name is Ali Hassan. In this lecture, we will be discussing the linear search algorithm, which is used to search for a specific value in an array. Before we dive into the algorithm itself, let's review some notation that we will be using in this algorithm. A represents an array of size n, where n is the total size of array, and k is the actual number of elements present in the array, and v is the value to be searched, inserted or deleted, and I is the index to be searched. Now that we have reviewed the notation, let's take a look at the steps of the linear search algorithm. Let's see the algorithm in action with an example. Suppose we have an array A of size 5. We want to search for the value in this array. First, the algorithm initializes a variable I to 0, which represents the index of the first element in the array. Then it enters a loop that will iterate k times. In this example, k is 5. On each iteration of the loop, the algorithm checks whether the current element at index of I is equal to the value v we are searching for. If it is, then the algorithm immediately returns the index I, indicating that the value was found in the array. If it's not, then the algorithm increments the index I by 1 and continues to the next iteration of the loop. In our example, the algorithm would first check the element at index 0, which is 5. Since 5 is not equal to 6, the algorithm would increment I to 1 and checks the next element, which is 8. Again, 8 is not equal to 6, so the algorithm increments I to 2 and checks the next element, which is 12. Again, 12 is not equal to 6. The algorithm would increment I to 3 and reaches index 3. At this point, the algorithm returns index 3 and the search is complete. If the value being searched is not found in the array, then the algorithm will exit the while loop and return -1, indicating that the value was not found. For example, if we search for the value 7 in the array, the algorithm would traverse the entire array and ultimately return -1, since the value 7 is not present in the array. Thank you. See you in the next lecture.